Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be looking at the Elite Gourmet electric burner, and it's a double burner. The model number is EDB32BF. So let's open this up and see what we got going on here. And there you go. And this right here is a perfect size if you have, let's say, an RV, or you have a small little space, so you want something for your kitchen. You got your small one, your big one. And let's look at the controls. Okay, so I got two controls there. And I think these things are awesome. You can have maybe cook some, heat up some water and have a bigger frying pan or whatever, but I don't think there's much to it. We're gonna go and plug this thing in and see what the deal is. Okay, so we got it plugged in, and I believe this size here is 6.5 inches, and this one here is 5 inches. And it says that it's a cast element for easy cleaning and heat distribution, whatever that means. So we're gonna do a little test, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put on this frying pan, and we are going to use the 6.5 inch size and turn the temperature control all the way up to 7, I believe, or well, actually I believe it's 6 is a max, so it has 6 different temperature control depending on what you're cooking. So let's turn it all the way up and do a little test and see how long it takes to heat. So we're just going to put some oil in there. Okay, so let's put that in and see how quick that takes to heat up. Yeah, and again, these things are awesome for RV, or if you're going to, if you have a little small office space, you can just take it out, tuck it in your drawer or whatever, take it out. And let's say you even have a small little pod, or you're sending your kids off to college and they just want something that's small and convenient. These things are awesome. And look at that, that's already starting to melt. So I think that's about it. I think it is awesome, and I got it for around $30, I believe, on Amazon. I'm going to go ahead and put a link to where to the exact product in there. And if you found this video useful, please feel free to give it a like. And yes, that's about it. I'm looking forward to doing some cooking and experimenting on this thing. So until next time.